Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my herbal hair oil at home with natural ingredients. For this I'm taking methi or fenugreek seeds. It helps boost blood circulation and helps reduce dandruff. Also I'm taking coconut oil, which prevents hair fall and dryness and hair breakage. Also I'm taking castor oil, which keeps our hair and scalp healthy and hair soft. Almond oil, which is rich in vitamin E and prevents split ends. Also I'm using curry leaves and hibiscus flower. It promotes hair growth. And this is the aloe vera leaf that I'm taking. I should be using the pulp of it. Aloe vera is a very soothing and cooling natural ingredient. It helps to keep the scalp healthy and it naturally moisturizes our hair and scalp, thus preventing many scalp diseases as well. So from the aloe vera leaf, we just have to take the pulp portion out and use this transparent gel-like substance to make the hair oil. It's a messy process, but then after the process ends and after you apply the hair oil, you will know it's worth all the messiness that you have faced. So to make the hair oil, I will be taking an iron pan, preferably. It's an iron wok. So one by one, I will be adding the oils and I will be dropping the curry leaves, the hibiscus leaves as well. Only the petals of the hibiscus leaf I am going to use. Also, please drop in the methi seeds. I was having a tremendous problem of hair and scalp. My scalp became itchy and I was losing hair as well. But once I started making it at home and applying it on hair, like touch wood, I am reaping the benefits of it. It has moisturized my hair. My scalp does not itch like before, and it's touch wood again, it's healthy now. So that is the reason I'm keen on sharing this recipe. So if you find this hair oil beneficial, you can share the video with your friends and family so that they can also use it on their hair and reap the benefits of this hair oil. It's easily made at home. It does not have any chemical ingredients and it's all safe. Now we have to heat the oil on slow flame. Occasionally you can also make a aloe vera paste. The gel that you have extracted, you can make a paste of it in a mixer and then use it. But I'm using it whole out here. So you can see at one stage a lot of froth will be coming on the surface. You just have to stir the whole content. You have to continue the process till the aloe vera gel dissolves completely into the oil. Also, the nutrients that are there in the hibiscus leaves, the curry leaves and the methi will gradually seep into the oil. But don't heat it too much. Just when the moisture content of the oil reduces, just stop the flame at that point of time. So you can see it's almost done. The moisture content has reduced and the contents are well merged. So I will switch off the flame and let it cool down. So after we have cooled it down, we will be straining the oil with the help of a steel strainer. You may preferably store the oil in a glass jar, but since I don't have a spare glass jar at this moment, I'm using a plastic jar. But it's always good to store these kinds of herbal oil in a glass jar. So this is how I make my herbal hair oil. Hope you find the process useful. Thank you so much.